Small request to you guys, please, if you could use my coupon code to register in RedotPay. It will help me a lot and will also encourage me to create some good contents for you guys. First, let me give you some coupon codes that you can use. So if you go to card setting and click on new at the top, you will see both virtual card and physical card. Click on virtual card and in the coupon code enter RedotAngels and you will get 20% as a discount while purchasing for virtual cards. Now, if you click on the physical card and enter coupon code as Telegram bot, you will also get 20% discount while ordering physical card. Many didn't know the coupon code, so hope it will help you. If you haven't joined our YouTube community yet, I request you to join to support us. You can go to our YouTube channel and click on the join button and choose any tiers and join in. You will also get quite a lot of benefits from it. Firstly, you will get the access of the badges and custom emojis. You get highlighted on all comments, posts, and live chats. There are posts and polls for members only. And you also get special early access to all videos prior to others. There's also specific tab only for community members. Not only that, there's a huge lot of other benefits that you will get, showing you some of them as per tiers. So we request you to please join our YouTube community and support us to help us create more good contents for you. And at the last, we would like to thank you for your support.